Hey everyone, I just want to share with y'all a very special W123 300d. Now this is a 1984 Euro spec. I bought it about 2 years ago from the original owner, and it was in excellent condition then, but I've since gone on to detail this car to perfection. So, I just kind of want to do a walk around video of this car, not to show off, but I just know a lot of us really love these cars. As you can see, it's got the cloth interior in immaculate condition. All the paint is original. See if I can show you, but all the original carpets are in perfect condition. And it's got the manual sunroof, which I really love. You just crank the handle there and pull it back. Also, of course, the manual transmission. The original radio. You'd be shocked to see it, but this car has 227,000 miles on it. It runs like brand new. Has the original engine and transmission. But it just goes to show, if you take care of one of these cars, they really, really will last a lifetime. It's just that not many people are willing to give this kind of car the care that it needs. Here's the 5-cylinder OM617, naturally aspirated. Still doing just fine after almost 250,000 miles. Well, thank you for watching. I'm glad I could share this car with you. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I made a post on Peach Parts documenting all the work that went into this car if you're interested. Take care.